Hi, and thanks for joining us today. My name is Milan, and I'm a marketing manager here at Vizru. And I'm joined by Charlie Chu, who's our VP of Global Sales, to go ahead and explore a use case that Vizru has done for a client in the past. And today's use case will be within the insurance industry regarding claims automation that we've done for a company called BNP Paribas a couple of years back. So, Charlie, if you want to go ahead and walk us through that process of what we did for them.
Yeah, thanks for having me, Milan. And let me just lean in a little bit to this use case and give you some background. So BNP Paribas is one of the largest bank in the world. They're the largest bank in Europe. And specifically here, what we've done with their insurance arm is we've completely transformed the way that they have managed and processed their claims business. And as you may be familiar with this, Milan, within an insurance organization, the claims business drives a lot of revenue, but also they are a huge cost for the business itself. I think the numbers that we've seen is that about 30% of the costs of the entire insurance organization, 30% of that actually goes into processing and managing the claims department. So if we're able to help manage and transform that, create better process optimization, create better insight, reduce the overall costs there, that makes a huge difference for them. The problem statement we have here with BNP is that prior to launching this autonomous claims application, it used to take them about 6 to 8 weeks to process a claim and then reach a decision. And along the way, they actually have several problems. One, they have no way of validating or, confirming the information they get is correct and accurate. So there's a lot of back and forth between them and their policyholder. Two, once the claim has been intaked, everything else that happens within the back office is extremely manual. And third is their client or their policyholder has no way of actually gaining any visibility into the status of their claim. Right. And to add on to this, there are newer players, newer insurtech players in the market like Lemonade, who are able to process these claims within 2 minutes, right? So there's the pinch and the pressure that they feel from the competition as well. So what we did is we came in, and what you're seeing in the video here is that we built them an autonomous claims application that allows their policyholder to submit claims in an omni-channel experience. What we mean by omni-channel is that they can submit the claim via SMS, via chat, which is what you see here, or via Facebook Messenger. Of course, email is also available. So all the user has to do is they trigger or invoke the claims bot, and the bot will come up and ask, what kind of claims do you want to submit? And in the video, you see there are about over 9 different coverages that we have or that the bot can support. And then once the bot has registered the user's request, is that the bot will take the policyholder through the KYC process. Once the KYC process is completed, the bot will then return and let the policyholder know what he or she could submit their claim for. This is actually based against the policy that they have with BNP. Now, once the user submits, whether that's their claims, whether that's a workers' compensation, temporary disability, or a life claim, the bot will then take that information and then pull up the policy that the policy holder has with BNP, and will actually go through line by line to understand what they can and what they can't cover. Once this policy, and we call this a policy declaration process, once this policy declaration process is completed, the bot actually takes all the information that they've collected from the user and the information that they have gathered from their policy within the policy administration system. And then they will run through the entire claims handling process. And at the end, what you see is that BNP has a full visibility into this pipeline, where the claim is, what stage it's at, and it allows them to also see and gain visibility into the automation process of this as well. The autonomous claim bot is actually completely localized to each region we're in. Here, you'll see that some of the claims experience or the claims conversation is actually in Spanish. We actually launched this in France, in Germany. So language localization comes out of the box. That's something that we can easily support as well. And that's great, especially for an organization like BNP, because they can build the solution once and launch it in separate or different region and really just have the bot customized to that specific region. And it's actually quite quickly. At the end of this application, what we were able to deliver is an autonomous claim solution that took what used to take 6 to 8 weeks for BNP, and we were able to reduce that down to under 45 seconds. We also allowed the user to submit claims in various communication channel, and if they choose to, start a claim from one channel and then also resume the claim on another channel if their lifestyle, if that fits their lifestyle, right? This huge accomplishment for them to reduce that time from 6 to 8 weeks down to under 42 seconds. It also reduced their overhead costs tremendously. Remember earlier in my video, I said that about 30% of every dollar that they collect from a premium goes into managing the claims process. So what we were able to do is we took that 30 cents or 30%, and we were able to reduce or drive down that cost to under 5 cents per transaction or for a claim submitted. So this was a huge win for us and also a huge win for BNP as well.
Wonderful, Charlie. I appreciate you taking us through this use case that we've done for BNP in the past, and looking forward to more videos within other industries to see how Vizru has helped in the past and what possibilities we have for the future as well.
Perfect. Thanks, Milan.
Thank you.